Okay, guys, let's get this break going of 2013-14 titanium. Two double box break. Let's go with the time, date and time first. Saturday, September 13th, 2014, 11:14:37 Pacific time. Here's the break we're doing. 13-14 Upper Deck Titanium double box break number 4. It ended on September the 11th. That's my son saying hi to everybody, just so you know. Alright, let's do this. Oh, let's see the serial number. Last 4, 5433. And 7126. Alright, let's crack this stuff. Got a base, and we have for the New York Islanders, Thomas Hickey, rookie reserve, numbered 68 of 100. Base. Ovechkin base. For the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton. Oh, pretty sweet. 4-star patch auto. Really nice. Numbered number 8 of 10 for the Boston Bruins, Doug Hamilton. That one's pretty sweet. Base. Base and a base. For the Buffalo Sabres, Mark, I can never say this guy's name, Psych. Titanium Reserve auto. Decoy. Base. Base. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Zach Ronaldo, game worn gear. Hello there, Nigel 111. Base. Base. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, James Reimer. Oh, it's nice. Army fatigue jerseys. It's number 26 of 50. We're breaking titanium, 2 boxes. base. For the Colorado Avalanche, Ryan O'Reilly. Game worn gear. Base. Yeah, we got a pretty sweet Boston Bruins quad jersey patch.
It's very nice.
For Detroit Red Wings, Riley Sheehan. Metallic marks. Decoy base. Couple base. Private signings for the New York Islanders, Thomas Hickey. 75 of 199. Some base. For the Ottawa Senators, Corey Conacher and Eric Gryba. Dual signatures. 48 of 50. Decoy. Base. Alright, last pack. Good luck, everyone. Base. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Keith Primo, game worn gear. And a base. Take a look at that Boston Bruins one more time. Dougie Hamilton for the Boston Bruins, 8 of 10. Somebody's excited. Alright guys, thanks for participating in the break. Hopefully we can get you in our next one. Subscribe to the Breakers channel and you'll see when we come on live. Or subscribe to my eBay and you'll see when the breaks come up. There'll always be 99-cent breaks, team breaks. Talk to you later. Bye.